What does it take to be truly innovative? It all starts before you wake. Introducing the OnePlus 7 Pro. We set out to create a fully captivating experience with powerful Dolby Atmos sound from top to bottom and an immersive display that redefines the term bezel-less on mobile devices. Couple that with a 90 Hz refresh rate and you can scroll smoothly through your favorite apps. Or play the most intense mobile games available with no compromises. That's because we put more computing power into this device than ever before. Now you can move seamlessly between apps with software that anticipates your next move. Our adaptive brightness feature gives your eyes the least strenuous experience possible. No matter the shot or scene, the OnePlus 7 Pro is up to the task. That's because we've added 3 rear camera lenses to make sure you're capable of catching every moment. And of course, we didn't forget the selfie camera. Power through your day and night worry-free, because with Warp Charge, you're good to go in 20 minutes. That means your phone is ready before you are. And the camera capabilities don't diminish when the sun goes down. Thanks to our Nightscape feature, you'll be able to take gorgeous photographs no matter the time of day. That's the OnePlus 7 Pro, our most advanced phone ever.
Another week, another tech. 14th of May. So, OnePlus have finally announced the Speed Killer. Yes, it's finally here, guys. They went through all of the amazing specs of the device, but unfortunately they only announced one device, which is the 7 Pro. I'm not really sure when will the standard OnePlus 7 device will be announced, but let's hope that it doesn't take too much time. Let's have a quick look on the best specs so far for the Speed Killer. But before we start, if you are new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon in order to stay updated. 14th of May is the day of the year for a lot of people who wants high quality phones with an affordable prices. OnePlus 7 Pro offers a lot of those high demanding specs that you can find on high leveled companies such as Samsung, Apple and Huawei. And to be specific, I divided those specs into points, so let's go. 1. A whole new design with a 6.67 QHD Plus for OnePlus 7 Pro with zero cuts and no notches. Finally, a whole screen size just for you to watch videos and play games without those cuts and notches. 2. A 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera for the One 7 Plus Pro that again gives you the full authority to use the full display, so you don't have to worry about annoying notches and cuts in your screen. 3. Triple rear camera setup for OnePlus 7 Pro, a 48 megapixel standard Sony sensor f1.6 and optical image stabilization, plus 16 megapixel f2.2 wide angle lens camera and an 8 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens giving you 3 times optical zoom. 4. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a UFS 3.0 storage, which makes it read and write data faster than most of other phones, which is a big step for OnePlus, as apps and games are using a lot of space nowadays. And of course, a faster storage would be a great change. 5. 90 Hz refresh rate giving you much more fluid transitions and animations, and it also upgrades your gaming experience. 6. Snapdragon 855 processor, which is one of the best processors in the market, if not the best. 7. Up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 of storage for gamers, geeks, and selfie-addicted photographers. 8. A battery capacity of 4000 mAh which can get through the entire day easily, and the 30 watts fast charging which promises to charge 50% in just 20 minutes. 9. 5G compatibility, being one of few phones to handle 5G services. So, 2019 is full of competitors now, as it started with Samsung S10 series and then Huawei P30 editions came out, iPhone XI leaks and final specs, and now One 7 Plus Pro. Competition between companies is a benefit for us as consumers, and it assures better qualities and lower prices. Moreover, it pushes companies to come with new ideas and technologies, just like the on-screen fingerprint in Samsung S10. Huawei dual video shooting that shoots 2 different videos with the 2 different cameras in the same time, and super spectrum camera sensor that captures more light than ever possible. So, I hope companies keeps on this aggressive competition. With that being said, please share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you all for your support. I'm almost hitting up my first 1K subscriptions. Let's make this happen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next week with another tech.